Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. In this episode, we'll explore an essential noun that connects us to the world: airport. An airport is a place where aircraft take off and land. It's not just a location, it's a gateway to adventures, new opportunities, and exciting destinations. The word airport is a noun, which means it names a place. We use it to describe facilities that handle air travel, whether for passengers or cargo. For example, you might say, "I need to get to the airport early to catch my flight." Now, let's look at some synonyms. One synonym for airport is airfield, which is commonly used for smaller or simpler air travel facilities. For instance, the pilot landed the small plane at a rural airfield. Another synonym is terminal, often used to describe the main building where passengers check in and board their flights. For example, "I'll meet you at the terminal after you arrive." These synonyms share similarities, but might be more specific to certain contexts. On the other hand, antonyms highlight what an airport is not. A great example is station, which refers to places like train or bus stations. You could say, "The bus station is on the other side of town." Another antonym is dock, used for water transportation. For example, "The ferry departed from the dock this morning." These contrasts show how diverse transportation hubs can be. In everyday life, airport is a word we frequently encounter. You might hear it in conversations like, "How far is the airport from here?" Or, "The traffic to the airport was terrible this morning." It also appears in expressions like airport security, airport shuttle, or even airport lounge. These examples demonstrate its usefulness in various scenarios. Here are a few more sentences to solidify how to use airport. "We arrived at the airport 3 hours before our flight." "The new airport was built to accommodate more international flights." "She works at the airport as a ground crew member." Before we wrap up, let's review what we've learned. The word airport refers to a place where aircraft take off and land. It connects us to other parts of the world and is an important part of modern travel. We've explored its synonyms like airfield and terminal, as well as antonyms like station and dock. Hopefully, you've gained a clearer understanding of how to use this word confidently. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd also love to hear your creative sentences using the word airport, so feel free to share them in the comments. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of language.
Goodbye.